Information is everything. It's the foundation of success in AEC. Nothing is created without information. Imagine trying to construct a building with flawed, missing, or outdated information. It would lead to delays, frustration, and costly mistakes. Now, imagine having complete, accurate, and coordinated information, on time, every time. That's the difference ArcDox delivers. We ensure your information is trustworthy, structured, and actionable because we know that bad information creates bad outcomes, misunderstandings, rework, cost overruns, and even safety risks. Our goal is to transform information from a source of frustration into a tool of empowerment. We help professionals take control of their data, enabling smarter decision-making, seamless collaboration, and more efficient workflows. Because when your information is right, everything else falls into place. Don't leave success to chance. Ensure that your information is a competitive advantage. Let's get it right together.